Not sure how to measure your head for the perfect fit for your wig? I've got you covered. Let's measure together. So first things first, you're gonna wanna get a fabric measuring tape. You're not gonna wanna use your traditional measuring tape that you would get at Home Depot. You're gonna hurt yourself for one, and two, it's just not gonna wrap around your head snugly. So let's do our first measurement, which is gonna be our circumference of our head. So what you're going to do is place right under the lowest part of your head and wrap right around. Once those two meet together, we know our size. We're gonna grab this piece here, and I know that I'm a size 22. So now I know my circumference of my head is a 22, which would be a size medium. Our next measurement is gonna be the front to our nape. Again, with that same measuring tape, we're gonna place our measuring tape just a little bit in front of our natural hairline and go all the way to the back of our nape and find our nape to front measurement. Our third measurement is going to be our ear to ear measurement. This is an important one because this is where our lace is going to be sitting, and we do not want lace sitting on top of our ears. So again, with that same measuring tape, we're going to place the measuring tape here, and we're going to just put it right across our hairline here to the other ear, and now we have our ear to ear measurement. Our fourth measurement is going to be our ear to ear overhead measurement. We're going to take this measuring tape, again, same place we had put it for our ear, but this time we're going to pop it over the top of our head and bring it to the ear again. Now we have our ear to ear overhead measurement. Our next measurement is going to be our temple to temple measurement around the back. So with the measuring tape, we're going to place the measuring tape just around the back of our head and bring it right to our temple and then to the other temple, and that will be our temple to temple measurement. And your last and final measurement is going to be your nape measurement. Now, if your hair is a little longer like mine, you're going to want to just grab a clip and clip your hair up so that you can get the correct measurement. And with the same measuring tape, you're going to go around to the back of your head here, and just at the bottom of your hairline, you're going to take your measurement. Typically, most people are anywhere between that 5 to 6 mark. I'm a 5. I typically find 4 to 6 is usually where people are at, but for the most part, that 5 to 6. So if you get anything larger than that or way smaller than that, just retry again and remeasure and get the measurement again. But that would be your last and final step for your measurement. So if you have any questions or concerns and need any help, let me know in the comment section below, and I will help you with measuring for your wig.